Respected parents, dear children, how are you? I hope that we all are fine. I am also fine and good. Have a nice day. Previously, we all are learning the classroom. Different lessons. Now, we all are learn Europe. Earth is the one of the planet in the solar system. Earth is also known as blue planet. Earth always to rotate itself and it rotates revolve around the sun. The Earth is also known as watery planet or blue planet. The Earth landmass divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. Continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Tell me children, how many continents? There are 7 continents in the world. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent and it is mostly populous continent in the world. Most populous countries are China, India, Japan, like located in Asian continent. Smallest continent is Australia. Which is the smallest continent? Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Which is the icy continent? Antarctica is the icy continent. It is covered yearly ice blocks. Oceans. There are 5 oceans on the earth. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is a frozen in a year. Pacific Ocean is the deepest and largest ocean in the world. The smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Tell me children, how many continents? There are 7 continents. How many oceans? There are 5 oceans. Which is the largest continent? Australia. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. Which is the largest continent? Asia. Which is the deepest and largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Is the largest and deepest oceans. Europe is the second smallest continent in the world. It is the richest continent in the world. The first industrial revolution occurred this continent. Important countries are France, Spain, Portugal, Germany, Poland, England, Ireland, Italy, Greece, Norway, Sweden, etc. Here, the largest country in the world, Russia. It is the largest country in Europe continent and as well as in the Asia. Tell me children, which is the largest country in the world? Russia is the largest country in the world. Smallest country in the world, Vatican City. It is in Italy. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Russia is the largest country in the world in area wise. The boundaries of Europe. On the north, Arctic Ocean. On the south, Mediterranean Sea. On the east, Ural Mountains and Caspian Sea. On the west, Atlantic Ocean are the boundaries of Europe continent. Once again, boundaries of Europe on the north, Arctic Ocean, on the south, Mediterranean Sea, on the east, Ural Mountains and Caspian Sea, on the west, Atlantic Ocean. These are the boundaries of the Europe continent. Europe is the richest and second smallest continent in the world. Now, mountains and plains. Here, most important mountains are Alps, Pyrenees, Caucasus mountains are in the Europe continent. The most important mountain in Europe, Alps mountains, are the most important mountains. Here there is no plains and there is no plateaus, but number of plains are formed in Europe continent. Here the small plateaus located in France, Russia, Germany and Spain, etc. Plains are located Russia and Ukraine, Poland, etc. Where is the most important place are located in Europe continent? France, Russia and Ukraine are the most important places located in Europe. The most important mountains are Alps, Pyrenees, Caucasus mountains, etc. Next one. Rivers. The important rivers of Europe continent are river Volga and Dnieper. Tell me the children, what are the important rivers flow in Europe continent? Dnieper and Volga. Volga is the longest river in Europe. Which is the longest river in Europe? River Volga is the longest river in Europe continent. Rivers are very helpful to in the Europe continent, navigation, fishing, etc. It is very helpful to exports and imports. This used to rivers. These rivers are very helpful to irrigation purpose and drinking water purpose also. These rivers are very helpful to development of industries in Europe continent. Okay, tell the children what are the important rivers of Europe? Dnieper and Volga. Which is the longest river in Europe? Volga is the longest river in Europe. Peninsulas, islands, and the base of the Europe continent. Tell the children what is the peninsula? Already you know peninsula, island, and bay. Peninsula means three sides are covered water mass. Another side is covered with land mass. It is called a peninsula. Island. Four sides are covered the water mass. It is called a island. Bay is the enclosure of the sea, the gateway and out the sea. Bay is the deepest place in the sea. Now, what are the important peninsula? Peninsula countries, the Europe continent, Italy, Norway, Sweden are the most important peninsular countries of the Europe. Tell me, children, what are the most important peninsular countries of Europe? Italy, Norway, Sweden, etc. Islands, England, Ireland are the most important islands of Europe continent. A Bay of Biscay. It is in Atlantic Ocean. These are the most important peninsulas, islands, and base of the Europe continent. Okay, islands once again: England, Ireland, Corsica Island, Sardinia Islands, Crete are the most important islands of Europe continent. Bays. The one bay is there, Bay of Biscay. Bay of Biscay. In India, Bay of Bengal, Hudson Bay in North America are the most important bays of the world. Bay of Biscay, Bay of Hudson, Bay of Bengal are the most important bays of the world. In Europe continent, the Bay of Biscay, it is in Atlantic Ocean. Now going to climatic conditions. Here climate is very cool. Climate is very cool in the entire continent. In summer and winter is also very cool. In the summer is also very cool, but our country is very hot. To compare with the European countries and in our country, in summer season, Europe countries are very cool. Atlantic Ocean to blow warm ocean currents. These warm ocean currents are reduce the temperature of the nearest of the sea coast. There are two types of ocean currents to blow from the ocean: warm ocean currents and cold ocean currents. Warm ocean currents are to reduce the temperature of the nearest of the sea coast. Cold ocean currents are to increase the temperature nearest of the sea coast. Here in Europe continent, Atlantic Ocean blow warm ocean currents. So the temperature of this continent very cool in summer also. As